Here's how to turn one video into 10 pieces of high-value content. I'll be walking through the steps, but there's a full list of all the assets I created at the end of this video, so make sure to screenshot it. After I edited a 2-minute educational video for TikTok, I made a 30-second version that also uses a different hook. Next, I mapped out all of the content I was planning to create in Loomly. I added labels to the posts so I could see what assets I needed and also the platforms I was planning to post to. I took the script from the video and pulled out a quote for a tweet. I also created a graphic in Canva to post to other platforms. Fun fact, you can export Canva designs directly to the Loomly library, so I was able to add it quickly to my other post draft. I also created a LinkedIn text post using part of the script, and I'm also going to post it to Facebook because why not? The script from the video also inspired a meme, which I created in Canva and exported to Loomly. I created a poll for LinkedIn and Instagram stories in order to increase engagement and start conversations. Next, I made a carousel post in Canva for Instagram and Facebook, and once I exported it to Loomly, I also turned it into a Twitter thread. And, of course, I turned the entire process into a B-roll style video with voiceover, and that's what you're watching right now. I was able to submit all of these posts for approval, and they'll be scheduled to post automatically over the next few weeks. Here's the total list of assets I created from one video. Screenshot this to use as a template for your own content creation process.